Hey y'all, hey. Hi, it's Deanna, Diamond Dotting D. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a video that is a hack that I like to use when I want to diamond paint on vacation or on the go. We all know that we love working on those massive masterpieces, but can't really take those as easily as we can the smaller canvases. So I'm going to show you what I do if I want to diamond paint on vacation, or if I want to diamond paint somewhere where I can't bring my large canvas or large whip. I'm going to show you what I do to still kind of scratch that itch of diamond painting and being able to do the craft, but it's a little bit more contained and not so overwhelming. And all you need is a pencil box. So here's the pencil box that I like to use when I want to travel with my diamond art. It's just a basic pencil box. So the key to traveling with your diamond art, if you want to do this pencil box hack, is the way you store your mini canvases. I store my mini canvases in a photo case keepsake thing. Let me show you what I mean. So this is how I store my canvases. Each one of these photo cases is a different set of Mini Dazzles, which is the Diamond Art Club brand of mini canvases, and I keep them in here. So when I receive them, I take them out of the box and I put the canvases inside of these containers along with the drills. So this is the first step. Step one, unbox your diamond art, your mini canvases, and put them into a photo box container. So as you can see, this is the 80s edition Mini Dazzles from Diamond Art Club. So I have put the sticker sheet in here. I put the drills in here, and then we have our canvases. So the other tools that would come in the toolkit, like the tray, the pen, the wax, all of that is not kept in here, but kept in the actual pencil box. So that's step one. You have to take your mini canvases out of their box, unbox them, and put them in a more compact storage. And here I have my canvases, my drills, and my sticker sheet. Let's move on to step two. You will need some of these drill storage containers. These are very inexpensive. I purchased these from Amazon, and they are connected. But typically this is just the amount of space you need for the mini canvases. The mini canvases don't usually come with a ton of drills, so this is actually plenty of space for the amount of drills that you'll need. So I put each color into a container. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, so here's an example of mini canvas kit that I have actually kit up. So I unboxed it, I put everything in here. This is one that I traveled with recently. So we have the sticker sheet. This one came with 2 sticker sheets because it has so many colors. But what I did was I put washi tape over this, and then I cut it. And then I put the stickers on top of the washi tape. The reason why I put the stickers on top of washi tape is the washi tape is really easy to remove. So you don't have to worry about these stickers being stuck onto your containers or having to use like glue gun or anything like that, because you have the washi tape. So the washi tape is a pro tip, so that way you don't get any adhesive or stickiness left when you try to remove these stickers. So we put that on, we cut it, and then we poured all of our drills into their containers. So as you can see, the space that is in these containers is just enough space for the drills. On a rare occasion, you might need to put more than one, you might need to use more than one spot for drills. So if you have a lot of a certain color, maybe you put it in two spaces, but that's how I do that. So I put those in there. They're already kit up. So step two is you have to kit up your mini canvases into these small drill cases, this small drill storage. So I keep these in the plastic. You can see that I have recently done one. But then I take the sticker sheet, even though the stickers are off, I keep the sticker sheet because I want to put it in the front So that way I can have a picture of what is inside of the photo storage. Okay, so I keep this so that way when I pull it out, although I do have it labeled here, I just like how it looks that this sticker sheet also lets me know these are the canvases that are inside and this is what I'm going to be working on. Then we're going to take our pencil box and we're going to place this inside of our pencil box. And you can see that this fits perfectly inside a pencil box and still closes. And you can also see that there is still room in the pencil box to add something else because of the depth of the pencil box. So what I would do is I would add my tray. I would add my pen. And then of course we're going to need either our wax or putty. And then I also like to take washi tape so that way I can tape it down to whatever surface that I'm working on. So that way the canvas isn't moving a lot. And then you close it. And then we have everything we need for our mini canvases. And now we can diamond paint on the go. I have used this hack when I go out of town. So that way I can still diamond paint. I've used this hack on a plane. So I can just pull this out of my purse. I've used this hack on a cruise. I just packed this for the cruise and then pulled it out and I was able to diamond paint on the cruise deck outside. It was wonderful. So I just love this because it gives you an opportunity to still diamond paint, but you don't have to worry about carrying around this huge whip that you're working on, this huge canvas. And you still have some type of diamond art that you can do. So this is what I use. This is my pencil box hack. So let's say, for example, you have a mini diamond art set or mini canvases, and this has happened to me before where the colors, there's so many of them that you can't fit them all in here. So for example, with this set, the art supply set from Diamond Art Club, you'll see that there are actually 26 colors, but you'll see that this doesn't really fit in there, right? So what I do is I just put the one that's extra, I just put it in the pencil box. So then that kind of goes here inside the pencil box. And then you still have room for your tray, your pen, your washi tape, and your wax. Still perfect. So that's what I do. So notice how big this tray is. This is a standard tray, and this is a smaller tray from Diamond Art Club that comes with their mini canvases. You could also use that tray as well. Or you could use the pen that comes with the kit. Either way you go, you can just grab and go. This is a way to still allow you to enjoy the hobby of diamond art, but on the go. And it's small, snack size, travel size. Let me know if you have any questions. All right, let me know your favorite crafting spot in the comments. Until next time, bye-bye.